We're going to demonstrate a stretch for the front thigh muscle called the rectus femoris, and we're going to stretch this muscle. A lot of times this muscle is very tight along with the psoas and can be implicated in a lot of back pain episodes. So to do this, what we're going to have Amy do is put her right foot up on the table here. Okay? She's going to stand straight up. She's going to rotate her pelvis backwards, rotate it back, tighten the buttocks, put your hand right here on the buttocks and squeeze, and then bend your left knee. And as she bends her left knee, she'll feel a stretch right on the front side of the thigh. You feel that, Amy?
Yes, I do.
Excellent. And that's all there is to it. Hold it for 30 seconds, come back out of it, repeat it again for 30 seconds, and do it a couple of times a day.